Hi, I'm Stephanie Thompson with RE/MAX Glacier Country. I'm at my newest listing, 32 Pinecone Lane, in the desirable West Valley area of Kalispell, Montana. Come with me while we check it out. With unobstructed views of Glacier National Park, this property also offers 360-degree views of the beautiful mountain ranges that the Flathead Valley has to offer. With just over 2,000 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home offers vaulted ceilings, large custom windows, 9-foot custom doors throughout, custom railings, central AC, built-in surround sound, hickory flooring, and an open floor plan. The kitchen offers beautiful quartz and butcher block countertops, custom soft close hickory cabinets, a custom concrete farm sink, double ovens, a large walk-in pantry, and gorgeous custom beams with built-in lighting. The main floor primary suite includes a custom barnwood ceiling with built-in lighting, blackout blinds, a large walk-in closet with cedar ceilings, and a beautiful primary bathroom including quartz countertops, a custom shower with 4 shower heads, and much more. The exterior features of this home include a heated, custom 36 by 36 attached shop with vaulted ceilings, custom built-in cabinets, and 12 and 10-foot doors, RV parking, RV hookups, a circular driveway, and a beautiful custom covered patio with stamped concrete and built-in surround sound and custom lighting, making it great for entertainment. Once again, I'm Stephanie Thompson with RE/MAX Glacier Country. If you would like to set up a showing for this property, please give me a call today, 406-871-8805. And if you're looking for an agent with a great social media presence and a great marketing package, I'd love to help you get top dollar for your property today.